now, there are channels in your niche quietly pulling in millions of views with videos that look simple, but behind the scenes, they're using very specific hooks, structures, and storytelling patterns to keep people watching, and it's not luck. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use NotebookLM, a free tool by Google, to turn any winning channel into a content brain that generates original video ideas, outlines, and scripts in minutes without copying a single line. But first, if you are new here, welcome. I am Zini, and on this channel, I teach you how to use AI to build faceless content and online income streams the smart way. And welcome to 2026, where we are starting the year strong. The first step in this process is to choose a niche that you want to create a content in. I won't be diving deep into process of choosing a niche, but for the sake of this tutorial, we'll be using the finance niche as an example. These methods that I'm going to showcase today, you can use in other niches as well. I found this channel called Nick Invest, and the channel is doing extremely well. This channel was opened a couple of months ago, and they have been able to gain over 100,000 subscribers. And as you could see from the channel stats, they are doing extremely well. Now, what I will do is to copy some of their top performing content so we could analyze it. To do that, first of all, click on popular, and it's going to sort from the highest view video on that channel to the lowest view. And I'll be copying the URL of these videos. I'm going to use a Google Chrome extension called Grabit, and I'm going to use it to copy multiple of these videos. Go ahead and switch on extension, and then I'm going to select. As you can see, as I'm selecting, I'll just select majority of the videos that have over 100,000 views. I will select this and it copies all the URL. The next thing is to take these URLs to NotebookLM. Coming into NotebookLM, to access this, you just go to notebooklm.google.com and it brings you to this page. Now, if you have not created anything with NotebookLM before, this whole part is going to be empty. But next step is to click on create new. It's going to open up to this page. Then you go ahead and click on websites and then paste all those links that you copied from the channel of choice, in this case Nick Invest, and click on insert. It will start inserting all the YouTube URLs that we copied. However, because I have a couple of extensions like vidIQ, and it copied that as well, I'm going to click on the three dots and say remove all failed sources, and it removes all of those sources. Now I have a lot of videos to analyze. Now, before we proceed to analyze the video, rename this. I'm just going to call this Finance Content Hub. Next thing is we're going to ask NotebookLM to do an in-depth research on all this content to identify title patterns, hooks, as well as their thumbnail design to be able to replicate some of their success. To do that, I'm going to paste in a detailed prompt that I have prepared. If you're interested in the prompts I'm using in this video, just type in notebook in the comment and I will send it over. So here I've asked it to do an in-depth analysis of the channel, understand what their audience is, their hook patterns, the video structure, their retention mechanisms, and thumbnail patterns. Once I click on submit, NotebookLM would go ahead to start analyzing this, and it would provide us with a detailed result. And by the way, if you want my full end-to-end faceless workflow, research, script, video, visuals, editing, and packaging, I'm hosting a free training on the 24th of January 2026. To join that free training, use the link in the description to join the waitlist, and you would get an invite once we start sending an invite out. As you can see here, it has provided us with a detailed breakdown of the patterns it's seeing in all these videos we are using as a source. It will tell you the ages of people watching the video, and it went ahead to talk about their topic pillars. It has broken it down, and it also went ahead to break down the hook patterns is important because it helps you understand what type of hooks are doing well when it comes to this type of finance videos. Next, I'll paste this prompt that asks NotebookLM that I want to create a similar channel, but I want it to generate original 10 video ideas, as well as give me a couple of options for their title, the thumbnail, as well as what the body of the video is going to be about. And once you paste the script and hit enter, NotebookLM is going to go ahead and generate 10 original ideas that is not the same ideas that you'll find on this channel, because the essence of doing this is for your ability to reverse engineer what is working but produce an original content. As you can see here, it started giving us a breakdown of video idea 1, and in video idea 1 it gave multiple video titles of the same idea. Why do we have 3 options? Now, when it comes to YouTube, gives us the ability to test multiple titles and multiple thumbnails. It's important that you have multiple titles that you could test and see which one resonates with your audience. Once you see the one that you like and the one that you want to build off on, what you're going to do is just copy the video idea and the title that you want, and then you will type here and say that I want it to generate an 8-minute script. Use video idea 1 and I use this video title for that script, and then I would go ahead and submit it. To go ahead to use the same structure that has worked for all these videos to start generating a detailed script. Now, there's something to mention while the script is being generated. In terms of the video creation, NotebookLM takes snippets of what is in the script to make the entire video. But if you want to use the script word for word, then you would have to create the video outside of NotebookLM. It has gone ahead to give us a detailed script of the hook, the intro, as well as breaking a couple of things down to give us an 8-minute script. It's important that you go ahead and read through this script and make some corrections and some edits. As you can see here, it went ahead and used Nick as an intro. You need to make corrections of this. Once you have the script that you want ready, it's important that you click save to note. What this is going to do is going to save the script that you have generated as a note here. So when you come back, you will be able to have access to this script. But most importantly, we want to use the script as a source in what we want to do. The next step is to generate the video. To do that, first of all, click on the 3 ellipses and say convert to source. Once you click on convert to source, it's going to be added here. I'm going to switch off every other source and select the script that we use because I want to use it as a base for the video. Now, to generate video, here by the right hand side you would see video overview. You click on the edit button and it's going to open up. It's going to ask you to choose between an explainer video and a brief. So we're doing an explainer video, and then it provides some default visual styles which you could use. I like to use whiteboard, but however, you could click on custom and then describe the type of visuals that you want it to use down to the color scheme. It's important to note that this can be customized. And then I'll just select whiteboard and then I'll go ahead and click on generate. Once you click on generate, it will start generating here. So I've reached my limit for the day, but to show you the one that had generated earlier. So this is the one I generated here earlier on your raise won't make you rich, which is the same context from Nick Invest. Just go ahead and play it so you would see what the result is.
All right, let's talk about something kind of weird. Imagine this. You just landed a big, fat $10,000 raise. You feel like you finally made it, right? But what if I told you that for most people, that exact moment, that's the fastest way to stay broke? I know it sounds nuts, but let's get into it. Now really, think about it for a second. That extra cash is about to hit your bank account. What's the first thing that pops into your head? Are you already smelling the new car smell? Maybe you're scrolling through listings for a bigger apartment, or finally upgrading that phone with a cracked screen. Go on, it's okay, mentally spend it. You got it? Now here comes the punchline. And it's kind of brutal. For the vast majority of us, that raise won't actually make us any wealthier. In fact, it often does the opposite. It just locks us into the same old cycle of financial stress, just with nicer stuff. Stick with me and you'll see exactly how this trap works. So let's unpack what's going on in our heads here. It all starts with something called the illusion of arrival. This is that powerful feeling that, hey,
So this looks really good. Obviously, like I mentioned earlier, it's not following the script word for word. If you want that to happen, you would have to take this out of NotebookLM and use a different method to create your videos, which I will show you in another video. Once you're satisfied, just go ahead and click on download, and it will be downloaded to your computer. Now, this, obviously, you cannot control the voice that was used to generate the video. You can easily swap out the voice with your own voice using 11 Labs. To quickly show you that, you go to your 11 Labs account. Once you sign in, you would see here that says voice changer. That voice changer, go ahead and drag the video you just downloaded here, and then choose the voice you want to use and generate a new voice. And it changes it to the voice of choice. However, if you want to make additional changes to this video, you would have to take it to an editing software to make changes to it. But you can make individual changes to the different slides. It's just what Notebook generates, which for me is pretty solid. And the good thing about NotebookLM is the fact that it gives you multiple ideas all at once. So you could sit down and generate up to 10 videos almost in less than 1 hour, or depending on the time of generation. Or you could actually generate multiple videos in a day, and then you spread them out and post it when your posting time is. And that's the full process for picking a winning channel, feeding the videos into NotebookLM, pulling the blueprint, generating original ideas, turning them into scripts, and finally generating a video that is ready to be posted online. If you found this video very helpful, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comment section what stood out for you, and if you want the prompts that I use, don't forget to comment notebook in the comment section. And as well, if you want to join my free training coming up on the 24th of January 2026, use the link in the description as well to join the waitlist, where you would get the invite, and as well as once the training is over, you'll be able to get your replays. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.